In 1991, Mr. Rajiv Gandhi died. That time I was in the age of 16. I was 17, 18 at that time. That time at 1000 had started. Just to pay the maids 1000. So from 1991 when Rajiv Gandhi died till 2006, just please all YouTube people do the account and see how much money it becomes my 18 years money. I think y'all also will know that it will be more than that. And the shopping mall Big G started at 1991 at 1992. I think at that time only they started the shopping mall Big G. I'm not saying y'all don't earn, y'all earn. What is mine y'all give. What is yours y'all keep for y'all. I did not ask extra money from y'all. But do not trouble a poor person like this who doesn't have a family. Just take that person for granted like this. It's not good. It's not good. Now see how much they are struggling. This Gosala family is struggling, is struggling. Even they so greedy for money that they send their daughter-in-law Nirmala Gosala to London to earn. Because money is not reaching for them. It's not enough for them. Light bills are there, water bills are there, this is there, that is there. They know everything. Where the expenses have reached today. They bloody can't say and tell me go to work and earn your money and get the same money back. They can't say this. I've already earned my money. I wanted money back. And the Deepak Kamath also has no right to say this. He's also earning till now, although his children have grown up. I know he's a very good doctor, but he has no right. Instead, he should support me. Tell all the public people to come out and to support me, and he should help that money to come back to me. My 18 years money. It's 18 years. It's not a joke. And no maid can stay 18 years in anybody's house. I was a family maid in that house. They used to call me family maid. Is they know what's the meaning of family maid? Do they can understand what's the meaning of family maid? They can't tell lies. They don't know Sumi. Dr. Deepak, Dr. Kamath is the witness. He knows. The day one when I came, he asked, "Who's this girl? From where you all brought her now?" And then they said, "This is Sumi. She's a Catholic girl, but we kept her name Sumi. Her name is Sophia Pereira. She came from Enid's house. She's Enid's adopted daughter." And really, I'll tell you all friends, friendly, I tell you all friends, if I had little support when I was a child, no, when I was the age of 14, 15, just to support me and to put this Enid Pereira in trouble and to put her behind bars to arrest her. If I was in that, if I had any that kind of good person, like a big person to help me, today lifetime should have been in jail. She wouldn't be able to run her childcare primary school. She stays next to Monte Cruz. She used to stay there first. She hid there because the sisters were coming looking out for me where I am. She told lies to the sisters. None. I don't have children. What a big lie. First thing, I don't have children. I want a child for adoption. And when they come to see me 6 months, they got a shock knowing that they have a son, Melvin Pereira. What they can do at that time? And she was a very rich lady. She put money in the police's pocket. They would take action. They would take her side and take their action. I was supposed to go to a very good family, not to let this kind Enid Pereira, Kachirapatti. But still I say God forgive her, bless her wherever she is. She hurt me, she hurt Mother Mary also. She became so rich that she was stamping the feet of Mother Mary. She was stamping Mother Mary under her feet. Throwing all the statues out of Mother Mary. What nonsense they were doing. And they were supposed and they expect me also to do the same thing. But I didn't want to do. I was an innocent child in that house. Not good. So yeah, I want to know your YouTube people. Childcare primary is closed down now because of the COVID-19 and the coronavirus. I don't know if they are running any more business. They are staying in Ake somewhere. They said they're staying in the flat, and I don't know where their son is staying. Melvin Pereira and Lizia Pereira. She's an innocent child. She doesn't know anything what they've done to me, so she will take their side. If she knows what they've done to me, she would, I think, wouldn't get married to Melvin also. But I forgive them. God has taught me. My father, my priest, has always taught me, forgive. Sophie, forgive. They've hurt you, forgive. If one slap is given on this side, take the other slap and forgive. Don't hurt them, forgive. So I learned to forgive them. Even this Gosala family, they've eaten my money, everything, whatever it is. They must be still cursing me, or still remembering me, or they can't forget me. They also must be remembering me. But they are refusing to give my money back. Very wrong at part. And when he was raided, how much he begged to my feet. Don't tell I'm not paying you every month. Please, I beg to you. And all that gold they were putting on my head, on my neck. I said, no, I don't want that gold. I will support you. But today when I need support, I need my hard-earned money back, they are taking me for granted and not giving my money. That's why today I had to beg to you all and come to you all YouTube people. And I know that you all public people only will show him a lesson. You all public people will show him a lesson. I want this kind of rich people to realize not to do this. The Shantilal of that Shantilal Nikita, the biggest name is his father's name it is. They have their mines in Betul. They are running their mines. The mines are not running properly, what I don't know anything. But they have their mines in Betul. Very big mines. So Shantilal Nikita is the head of that Pajipon. Anybody who asks who is Shantilal Nikita, they will tell Gosalia, Praveen Gosalia's father. They were a beautiful family. Many maids have worked in their house. He was a very beautiful person. But I don't know how Praveen Gosalia turned out to be like this. Actually, he should be the main loving person, people like me to help. And just because he said, no, Sophie, if Moshmi is my daughter, you're my second daughter. Sumi, you're my second daughter. Just because he said that, no, I was very happy with them. And I went further to stay with them. If I that time only left and gone, all these problems wouldn't have happened. And nicely when I went with the wedding card and I begged to him, he asked me, why you want so much money? I told him, say, I have a small room. The person who I'm getting married is very poor. So I need little money support. I need to build my everything. I told him. Still he gave me 25,000. He should have given me money properly, He should have supported me today. How much blessings he would have got today. Where he is, what he's doing, who knows? I don't know where he is and where he must be. So I need the YouTube people just to support me. Please. I need your support. I beg to you all. Please support me. Please share this video to all the public people. Everyone. It may be Bombay, Delhi, Dubai, anyway. Please share this video and support me. And that Anthony Saldana and Anita Saldana also. Shama, she forced me to fill that money. Fill the money. 1,500. I didn't want to fill. Because I know sometimes I can't work. I can't afford to pay that money. But still, thinking, she told me after 3 years, that money will come for you. 1,70,000 bonus. Thinking of that, I went forward and I paid the money. But then when she came from London and I told her, please give me the 50,000. It is urgent for me. I need for my treatment now. She told me, what guarantee is there? What guarantee is there if I give you the 50,000, whether you will return the money back? But I did not ask her when I was filling the form and starting that money to fill, whether there's guarantee whether she'll give the money back. I didn't behave cruel like her like this. And without giving the money, she went to London. Pratima Naik stays in Daklebad, Kurmoi. She's the agent. And her house, her sister-in-law Benny had showed me. Benny had showed me the house. And Anthony, like a robber, went to London. He is a government servant in the departments in Panjim. And she working in London. So they are well to do. They had to give my return back. If I was in that place, I would have given all their money back. Everything I would have given back. I would not even take back from them, but I would give it to them because it was my responsibility. Since I filled that money of that person and it's not come, since some gadbad has happened, to return the money back. And she told me, when I was filling the form, Anita Saldana, she told me, Sophie, if any gadbad happens in the money or it doesn't come to you, I will pay you the money. She touched her heart like this and said, and now everything she washed her hand and cross side away. So please, Anthony Saldana and Anita Saldana is in London. If anybody knows them, please take action of them. I will send their photos on the third video. Please, you all also take action of them also. And to the public people, tell them to give this money in a good way. Because till now, that money is not come. I love you all so much. And I miss you all. Thank you. Have a nice day. And I pray you all always and keep you all in good health. Thank you. May God bless you all.